Technologies have been an integral part of society for as long as humans have had the desire to create solutions which improve their own and others' quality of life. Technologies have an impact on people and societies by transforming, restoring and sustaining the world in which we live. Australia needs enterprising and innovative individuals with the ability to make discerning decisions related to the development, use and impact of technologies. When developing technologies, these individuals need to work independently, collaboratively to solve complex, open-ended problems. Subjects in the technologies discipline will prepare you to be an effective problem solver as you learn about and work with contemporary and emerging technologies. In the technologies learning area at Chancellor State College, there are 3 general subjects, 2 applied subjects and 4 certificate courses for you to choose from. The general subjects are food and nutrition, design, which is cross-linked with the enterprise and innovation faculty, and engineering, which is cross-linked with the science faculty. The applied subjects offered are industrial graphic skills and hospitality practices. And the certificate courses offered are Certificate 2 in Manufacturing Technology, Certificate 2 in Engineering Pathways, Certificate 2 and Certificate 3 in Tourism, and Certificate 3 in Events. Assessments in technology for general and applied subjects typically include instruments such as long and short response exams, folios and project work. Assessments for certificate courses are competency-based and are typically long and short question responses, investigations, reports, folios, project work and observations. If any of these subjects are of interest to you, please click through to their individual videos or please visit the technology faculty to learn more.